I'll show you how to create an assembly order and how to post it. I'll start by searching for assembly order. Click on it. Push new. Tap down to give our assembly order a number. In item number, I choose the item that I want to produce. And in quantity, I choose how many items I want to produce. In this case, we choose 2. Also, I fill in due date. Under the posting tab, under location code, we choose basic warehouse. Do you want to update the location code on the lines? Yes. Now we are ready to post the order. We do that by saying posting and then post. Do you want to post the order? Yes.